Welcome to the show, you hot, plastic-loving freaks! What we got's about to turn your little brick-obsessed fingers sore, just from watching, because you like to watch, don't you, freak? Ha
ha! Very funny, Edward.
I'm so sorry, Ed's been really rude lately. Anyway, what's up guys? Today we're gonna try and turn this into bricks, and it's gonna look insane. Ed the Head, do you think it'll work?
Ugh, Batman! I'm Team Heath Ledger. Get a real job, nerd! It's overpriced plastic designed for children, you man-child. What the frack does it matter? Roll your shitty montage.
10,240 1x1 round tiles, 40 16 by 16 base plates, and some bricks, pins, tiles and plates for the frame.
Hell yeah!
For a full parts list for this build, hang around to the end, where Ed will tell you where to get it, plus some free instructions for this build and more.
Begin the build!
This is the hard work part, guys. All 40 plates will take 256 tiles and about 18 to 20 minutes for each plate. So I spend roughly about 3 hours on the first 9 plates, and then...
Steve! Oh good, you're right in front of me. I said no Batman, gosh darn it! I want a Joker one! Start over or so help me. This will turn into a more Annabelle conjuring doll part of your life!
That'll be over 22,000 pieces, Ed. Well, I'll do it, but you're gonna have to give me a gracious and polite, sincere thank you, and you've got to acknowledge that it's cool. Thanks to the power of VFX and editing, instead of making you watch the full 40 hours it took, side-by-side reveal is coming to you in 3, 2, 1.
They look good. Let us know in the comments which one you think is best and what you'd like to see next. Visit the link in the description to the Studality website for free instructions for both these sets. Oh, and subscribe if you want more Ed the Head and Steve asking the question, will it brick?